really proud of us. You grew up in our midst. I'm happy your Opa is here. And also your brothers and sisters are here. Unfortunately, the Western world gave us artificial boundary. It's the Atayeto compound. That's where they came from. The majority of the entire Ghana population. In Ghana, you will say Akwabo. Here, I will say Ekabo. Does this sound the same? We are all the same. We are one big family. If you go to your DRAMANI MAHAMA, is installed as the Aare atayeto. The president who organizes the global space for humanity, Africa, will start.
Get it straight there, straight in the bottom layer.
Acknowledge all of you, all the kings and queens who have gathered here, my own family, my brothers and sisters who didn't tell me you were coming. His Imperial Majesty, the Ooni of Ife, was installed on the throne. He paid a visit to Ghana to visit the Yoruba people in Ghana. And on the program, they had arranged for him to pay a courtesy call on me. And so after he had wound up his visits with his people, he paid a visit to me at the time I was president in my first incarnation. I received him at home warmly, like a brother, and he was like a younger brother to me, very open, very warm, and there was this magic relationship that immediately formed. Shortly after that, I went into the elections of 2016 and I lost. Most people are fair weather friends. After I lost, for some people I no longer have been important to them. But when he came and visited me when I was president, he invited me to pay a visit to his palace in Ile-Ife. And so through my sister, he kept asking, when is your brother coming to visit me? And he kept asking her, when is your brother coming to visit me? And I was impressed because I was nobody, I was in a position, and yet his insistence that I come and visit him was something that moved me. And so on one day I gave a date, and when I came, he received me so warmly. And after we had finished the visit, he took me to all the secret corners of the palace. And the word that came from the secret places was that, go, you will get your seat back. And so I was re-elected as president. I don't take this honor lightly. I know that there's an historic bond between the people of Ghana and the people of Nigeria. When Nigeria prospers, Ghana prospers. When Ghana prospers, Nigeria prospers. God brought two of us together. We are like twins of the same mother. Except when we are playing football. And then when we are cooking jollof. But I want to say this university title, I received it on behalf of all the people of Ghana. It will further cement the relationship between us. And as Ooni said, my stepmother of blessed memory, I received this chieftaincy title on her behalf. Abia Nusrat Balogun. At a point in time when my father had to come into exile, and I just finished university, and it was decided that one of us should come and stay with him. dispatched to come and keep in company. And so for several years, I lived in Nigeria. I was in Lagos, I was in Ofa, and I was even in Kano with our late brother Sharaf Balogo. May he rest in peace. And I was received very warmly, like family. You couldn't tell that I was not originally born here. Almost everybody in Ofa knew me. I used to go to different relatives' houses, and wherever I go and food is ready.
Atayeto!